Hi everyone. So if you would like to make a telescope to go with a shark in the park, I will show you how. You can make a really simple telescope by just using a kitchen roll, and you can invite your child to decorate it any way they want to. They can paint it, they can color it, they can put stickers on, and they can use that as a telescope. If you want to make something a little bit more fancy, you can use a cup to make a lens for your telescope. So for a cup, you need to cut it like this. So I will show you. First, make sure that your roll fits onto the cup. Now my cup is slightly bigger than my roll, so it should be fine, but if you've got quite a big cup, you'll have to draw around it to make a circle to know where to cut it. Then on the inside, then on the cup, you will make some triangles, and you can use a utility knife. It will probably work with a sharp knife from the kitchen. And of course you're going to do this, not your child. And you'll just cut where you made the triangles. And keep going until you've cut them all. And then you stick your roll inside your cup. And when you use your telescope, then you can adjust the lens, just like in a real telescope. Enjoy that.